and your mind's gonna race. You're gonna feel like this is a waste of my time, nothing's happening, but I'm telling you something will click, and when it does, like your mind will get clear.
So this one comes from Mike
On YouTube.
McDonough.
Sorry, Mike, you're a regular contributor and I can't pronounce your last name.
McDonough? I butchered it. I'm sorry. Mike, that's my fault.
Send me a snap and like video and pronounce your name so we don't butcher it next time.
Do you guys meditate? If so, for how long? Brad, I'm learning a ton of good strategies from your new book.
Nice.
Almost done with it. Awesome. It's all about taking action, baby.
Right on.
It is. It really is.
So meditation, honestly, I was really into meditation like 6 years ago. And unfortunately, I'll be 100% honest, I fell off. Did I fall off because it didn't work? No, I actually really loved it.
Because it did work.
Yeah, I'm perfect now. That's one way to look at it. No, honestly,
all
like
your problems were solved.
I really would love to get back into it. When I was into it, I wasn't an entrepreneur at the time. I was like on that path to become an entrepreneur, and I think meditation helped me get there. But it is definitely something I want to get back into, and I recommend you guys do as well.
Yeah, you know what? I really think that it's the most useful in your time of most need. You know, it was the same way for me. Like I meditated most when I had a life circumstance that I was not happy with, you know, because that's when you really need it. It's like what we say about body transformation. Like if you need to transform, you have to crank it up a notch, dial it up, and really ignite your focus on your goal. And that's kind of what we used meditation for, was to get to a place where we were happier. And so we are at a happy place now, which doesn't mean that we don't need meditation, but I just think we need it less.
Yeah. I recommend it for stress management. When clients are really complaining that their mind is just going constantly, and then many of my clients are in situations where then they self-sabotage either with binge eating or with something like that because of stress. I will recommend that they do take some time and meditate, close your eyes. And it's, for me, it's like, hey, it's not necessarily a religious thing, or doesn't have to be if you don't want it to be. It can simply be clearing your mind, allowing your brain to just slow down from all of the stresses and all of the distractions that you have visually going on around you.
And if you're going to start with 2 minutes. Don't start with 20 minutes because you're going to drive yourself insane. Like what I did was I started with 2 minutes, and your mind's going to race. You're going to feel like this is a waste of my time, nothing's happening, but I'm telling you something will click. And when it does, like your mind will get clear, but just start slow.
Yeah, I feel like don't even put a timer or clock on it. Like it doesn't even have to be 2 minutes. Just start with like 2 thoughts. Just focus on those thoughts and like what you're trying to achieve in your life. That's what it was for me. It was so informal. And I would actually do a lot of my meditation during workouts. Like as I was working out, I'd be thinking about the body that I wanted to create. To me, that's meditation.
Yeah, I was going to say, actually, gym is a form of meditation. It's breathing, it's focusing, it's concentrating.
If you're focused. A lot of people like the gym douche.
The gym douche?
Not meditating.
How you living, girl?
But yeah, just try to take the mystery out of meditation and just think of it as focusing your thoughts. That's my tip.
Nice.
Today's question of the day: have you tried meditating? Comment down below. Thanks again to Jeremy Reed for joining us on this episode. And if you want to go watch the funny video we did with him on the gym douche and the douchey things you do in the gym, go watch that video right over here.